Pero ito, Boss Terence, parang ano?
But way better.
Way better
Way
than
better.
Afnan Turati Blue. Ooh. What is up, mga hilig sa mga? This is your boy Armin, and this is my co-host.
Parents.
Welcome back again dito sa Amoy Piranyan! So, for today's episode, sabi daw ni Boss Terence, may ibubulong daw siya sa akin, may bago na naman daw siyang ipapaputok or hindi naman papaputok. It's bagong bili lang, bagong budol lang, okay? So, since bagong bili mo lang ba dyan, Boss Terence, mangbubudol din ba tayo ng tao dito?
Teka lang, na-hurt ako tuwing sinasabi sa mga comments na mambubudol na naman si Sir Armin tsaka si Sir Terence eh. Guys, clear lang namin, paulit-ulit na namin sinasabi to. Hindi kami sponsored, okay? Bibihira yung may magpadala ng pabango, and if ever yun yung nangyari, we really tell it na pinadala sa amin yung pabango
Yes.
ngayon. But today, just like any other day, ang i-review namin dito is out of our own pocket, and wala po ito sa showcase ni Armin.
Yeah.
So hindi namin to binebenta.
Yeah.
Kasi usually yan na sa section, sir, nasa magkano yan, binebenta nyo ba yan?
Oo nga.
So wala, we just do this just because na mahilig rin talaga kami sa pabango.
Yeah.
And we really just want to share sa inyo yung kung anong sentiments namin sa mga hype na pabango. Ganon. Kumbaga, yun na yung contribution namin sa community.
Okay.
Okay?
Actually, hindi ko alam kung ano yung dala niyang pabango. Kanina pa niya tinatago sa akin. Sabi daw niya, he just want to surprise me na lang daw. So, let's see kung anong pabango yung Boss Terence. Game. Oh my God! Pambihira ka talaga, Boss Terence. So, this is from the brand of, oh my God, Maison Asrar Majesty. Grabe. Oh my God. Unboxing na ba ito, Boss Terence?
Do the honors.
G, sure. Grabe. Okay. Parang
Mukhang fast forward mo tong part na to.
fast forward to part na to. Yun, pababa. Yun. Grabe. Okay, tapos na kami dun sa cellophane niya. Now, let's go on the box itself.
Sige, buksan mo. Kaya mo yan.
Grabe ito, Maison Asrar.
Ano sinasabi ko sa'yo?
Grabe, Maison Asrar. What are you doing with this packaging, Maison Asrar?
Airtight.
Grabe.
Ganon din yung
Mind-blowing.
unboxing experience ko sa Legacy.
Wow. Oh my gosh. Grabe. Look at the presentation of the bottle. Take a look of the bottle.
So kabote niya yung Legacy.
Grabe. Okay, let's do the... Ikaw na mag-i-spray, Boss Terence.
Sige.
So, this is our first impression and unboxing. Hindi pa namin naamoy itong pabango na to, and we'll give it for you right now, guys. Oh my God. Sobrang sarap ng grapefruit. Very, very heavenly grapefruit.
Guys, para sa hindi nakakaalam, Majesty is supposed to be trying to copy di ba? Bulgari
Parang,
Tiger.
very tiger-ish siya.
But upon first spray,
Wow.
alam mo ano naalala ko?
Ano naalala mo?
Yung Afnan na Turati
Turati
Blue.
Blue. Grabe yun Pero ito, Boss Terence, parang
But way better.
way better
Way
than
better.
Afnan Turati Blue.
Yes.
Parang mas lalo pa nilang pinino.
Yes, very smooth, no?
Sobrang smooth. Walang harsh opening sa
Yes.
umpisa, no?
Yes.
Walang alcohol na harsh. Wala.
Sayang hindi namin dala yung bottle ng
Afnan
Turati
Turati
Blue.
Blue.
Pero right now, we are assuming na actually Turati Blue is one of the mga OG sa
Oo.
mga kaya sumikat ang mga MEs.
The best yan, yung
So,
Afnan.
I think the Tiger DNA is also very popular,
Mhm.
no? I mean, ginger, grapefruit. Marami ng pabango na naka-base dyan eh.
Mhm.
I mean, ultimo mga designer and niche, naglolokohan sila, nagkokopyahan na sila eh,
Oo
with
nga
the
eh.
same DNA eh, di ba?
Same DNA, kanya-kanyang gawa,
Mm.
pagalingan sa blend ng parang DNAs ng mga pabango na nire-release ng mga ME.
So I think it would be more, parang mas maganda kung i-compare natin to, ako lang
Mhm.
sa Turati Blue, more than
Yeah.
Tiger.
I
Kasi I
think
think
yes.
mas familiar ang viewers sa Turati Blue eh.
Compared sa Bulgari Tiger, kasi syempre hindi naman sa tingin ko, mahirap din kasi bumili ng Bulgari Tiger eh, kasi
Yes.
masakit din sa bulsa eh. Hindi
Yes.
naman ganun. Sobrang mura niyan eh. Very expensive ang private line ng Bulgari. Pero, upon sniffing pa lang, love at first sniff, no?
Yes, me also.
Grabe.
Mas ano siya, as you were saying kanina, kasi Turati Blue nga, kahit kahit yung fully matured na siya, very harsh talaga ang opening.
Sobrang harsh.
Saka very rough ang edges niya, if that makes sense.
Na may pagka-synthetic talaga.
Yes, yung ginger niya medyo talaga
It will give you a headache,
Oo.
yung ginger opening niya. From, hindi lang sa opening hanggang middle nose dry down. Minsan, masakit sa ulo if you overspray after ng Turati Blue eh.
Tapos yung parang grapefruit niya, hindi siya yung, ito kasi parang, napansin mo parang medyo amoy pomelo siya.
Oo,
parang, parang ripe pomelo siya eh.
Mm.
Yung sa Turati Blue, parang
Yung mga
medyo hilaw siya, medyo mapait na maasim na,
hindi mo pa parang pwedeng kainin pa. You're
Yes.
not allowed to eat yet pa. But here, it's really well blended to perfection.
Tsaka, I don't
Wow.
recall Turati Blue to be this creamy.
Oo.
And parang, okay, may sweetness rin ng Turati Blue, pero parang mas sweet and creamy ito.
Mas masarap yung blend niya.
Mhm.
Mas parang they tried to anong tawag doon? Yung may mga sugat yung Turati Blue,
Mhm.
kinorek ni
Pinino talaga
pinino
nila.
talaga
Oo,
nila.
hinasa talaga nila.
Oo. I think may potential pa to na mas lalo maging complex pa tong pabango na to.
Yeah.
Like if we age it properly, no? Like if fine wine.
Based on my experience with Maison Asrar, specifically yung Legacy,
Mm.
usually after a month or two, mas mabubuhay pa siya eh. May
Yeah.
mga notes ka pang
Maaamoy.
makukuha and the performance significantly I think mag-i-improve. Although update na lang namin kayo sa comment section in the
Yes.
future
Grabe
kung
talaga to.
ano yung performance nito. Kasi first impressions lang to guys.
May
Hindi pa namin masasagot yung
Oo nga eh.
ng
May-
GBT.
May parang shower gel fresh from the bath na nagbabad ka dun sa parang nakukuha mo yung pagka-pulp ng grapefruit niya.
Yes, yes.
Very very present. Yung very realistic pulp ng grapefruit, it's very present in here. And the ginger, no? Sobrang parang ang nipis ng ginger na nilagay nila dito. Hindi overwhelming.
Yes, yes.
Hindi sobrang
Oo.
spicy.
Correct.
It's just the right amount of it.
Correct.
Grabe.
Kumbaga, guys, lahat ng imperfections ng Turati Blue,
Mm-hmm.
parang in-address niya. So, sa totoo lang guys, may kukwento ko sa inyo.
Sure.
Meron akong Turati Blue dati.
Oo.
Guys, wala sa script to. Magugulat na naman si Armin. Yung Turati Blue na yon at that time, nung pinaamoy ko kay Armin, I think, love at first sniff rin siya. Nagustuhan niya talaga.
Oo.
To the point na, gusto mo talaga. Binigay ko na sa kanya yung bote kong yun. Kasi, little did he know na in-order ko na to.
Oh.
And actually, I have no idea pa.
Oo.
Pero ang assumption ko lang is, since parang mas late na siya sa party lumabas,
Mhm.
so I'm assuming na parang siguro mas maganda yung pag-execute nila ng pabango na to. Parang I'm
Oo.
assuming na mas better siya.
Yeah, I think they took their time.
Oo. So,
Hindi sila basta-basta nag-release.
Oo. So far, hindi naman...
I'm enjoying it. It
Oo.
seems like binubudol na ako ni Boss Terry. Parang mukhang kailangan ko na yata to add to wishlist.
So parang hindi naman ako nagsisi. Parang lahat ng assumptions ko, totoo naman. Parang they fine-tuned, refined, and not really perfected it. But parang, kumbaga, Turati Blue was version 1.
Yeah.
Siguro ito was version 2, version 3 na.
Yes,
Gets
yes.
mo? Parang
Grabe.
nagka-software update na siya.
Oo. May konting muskiness din siya,
Yes.
konti. The cleanliness touch of it.
Lumalabas
But
na.
grabe yung citrusy niya. I think, napupul niya, hindi pa rin nawawala yung citruses so until now. Oh. I think this is almost dry down na eh.
Mm-mm.
No? But since this is our first impression, we will save our words for our final review, hopefully very soon. And yeah, would you like to plug something? Nothing else to say, Boss Terence?
Last na, hindi lang sa guys and gals, I think this is very unisex.
Yeah.
Oo. Saka,
Magugustuhan to ng mga babae.
pwede siyang casual, pwede rin siyang mag-crossover na medyo formal. For me,
I think it's do you think it's a safe blind buy?
For me, it is.
It is safe
Because
blind
it's a tried and tested DNA eh. I
Oo.
mean, who doesn't love the ginger grapefruit combo? Diba?
Yes, everyone loves it. Even girlfriend ko loves a grapefruit type of a scent. Lahat ng grapefruit na naamoy niya talagang love na love niya mga grapefruit type of. I
Kumbaga,
think magugustuhan din niya
Kung
to.
nagustuhan niyo yung Imagination, nagustuhan
Yeah.
niyo yung ano yun, Elvis Symphony,
Elvis Symphony, mga grapefruit.
Tiger,
Oo.
Vibrato, magugustuhan niyo to.
You're going to enjoy this one.
Oo.
So, till next time, Fragrance Family, and this is just our first impression. Let us know. Have you tried Majesty from Maison Asrar? Let us know in the comment section what's your experience about it. Kamusta ang longevity? Kamusta ang projection siege? We cannot talk about it right now pa kasi aaralin pa namin to and we're going to give you the full in-depth review nitong pabango na to. Till next time, huwag natin kalimutan na lagi magpabango para sa sarili natin. Keep spraying your perfumes. Life is too short. Create memories out of it. Love you all, guys.